Hello, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the use of pendulums for guidance. I use them in my remote influencing system, and when you use pendulums you have to come up with the right type of yes or no questions, because a pendulum can only answer yes or no questions. After a while you get used to it, you'll get the hang of it, you'll be able to come up with the perfect type of yes or no questions. So what I do is instead of using paper to record my data onto, I put it onto Google Documents, and then once I'm done with that document I can convert it to PDF. But here you can see some of the questions. I was giving a sample here. Can my pendulums help to transform my life for the better? Answer, yes. Other question. Can I meet a nice young lady through my remote influencing system? The answer was yes. The other question I had asked the pendulum is, do I have qualities which some women might find attractive? And the answer was yes. So as you can see, the pendulum, it's a pretty handy tool. It's a good, powerful tool to use. So I'm going to keep developing my skills with the pendulum. All right, thank you. Bye.